Alright, we're back. You're getting a run Compaq Presario. We're running Windows 95 OSR3 OSR2.5 on here. So I have to see here. I have to boot it up. I have to see that. Wait, here we go. Oh yeah, I like this Compaq logo. Just have to see that way. Oh, Windows 95 on here. You got Microsoft Plus on it. And all you can see here is that I'm just gonna have to check this on the fly, you know. Spawner, we got this one. You have to see that way. This is to see here. You got your wallpaper on it. Well, yeah, I like this sound. Alright, so when you got this one, it requires for Internet Explorer 4 on it. So what you see here is I have to go to my computer and select properties. Here we go. Microsoft Windows 95 Version C. Register to me. Microsoft Plus with Windows 95. Now that's not always says because I just have to see that way, and you also have to protect this on the fly. And I always says because, and usually always says, that's what it does. When we go to Device Manager, take it protective. This scrolling down right here, system devices. I usually gotta like it protect this on the fly. And I always says because I usually have to see it. Because I don't have to worry about that. And they're taking a few drivers. Of course, it always says because I usually have to see. I hit the best to you, but I always have to see that way. We got our monitor, compact mouse, and display drivers, and the keyboard. This, and this. And I always nest. You should always listen, have to see it because I only have to protect this on the fly. So this one always says because I just have the USB support. So I can see that way it has supposed to it. Alright, now I have to see it. Here we got a couple of programs like creative all kinds of games and all kinds of stuff. You got install Money 98 on here. Take it protective. So I should always say you got, and you have to see here, you got a Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional includes Service Pack 1 upgrade. Yeah, buddy. Alright. First thing you have to do is that you got to pop up, let's open up the tray. You got this one reason. Now the CD drive, I would take us into this professionally, but that read this very well. Yeah, read this very well. Okay. Takes about just loading up. Oh, we already got the Windows 2000 CD on here. We have to see that way, and it's funny always says to see it, and taking this virtual drive, using always says to see that way. Want this to way? Oh, it's okay. I'll do better for now. You can also go to a browser CD on it. Take it protected. Released manufactured December 7, 1999. So that's cool, huh? So we go in and shut it down and have to restart now. Make it protective here. Just to see that way. We got our. You always says I have to see it, and you can always says I have to boot this up. It's an standard connector. You have to get the USB device here. have to get this close to it. I'll take this. You got the restart anti-response mode or shutdown. Okay, all I have to do restart node. I have to see. I'm making through there.